The GA11 Plus 230 has always set new standards in innovation and low lifecycle costs. Now we're pushing its performance and its energy savings even further. What you see is what our customers enjoy. Our state-of-the-art element works seamlessly with the motor and gearbox. Our motor has been upgraded from IE3 to IE4 efficiency. Our gearbox is maintenance-free. All this results in an exceptional free air delivery at minimal power consumption. When it comes to air quality, our GA Plus series meets the highest standards. Thanks to the built-in refrigerant dryer, our customers get the dry air that protects their air net and equipment. An electronic no-loss drain ensures water separation of nearly 100% in all conditions. For even higher air quality, optional filters are available for an oil carryover as low as 0.01 parts per million.